Hello guys, I'm Abid Ali Khan from Edity Educational Consultancy, and now we change the name because we provide information video about the physiotherapy and how it's work and how it's helpful for everyone, every normal guy who facing a back pain, neck pain and so many others pain in the body. So we provide that information, informative video, informative knowledge. So we change the name and we doing this physio media. Okay, in last video I show you golfer's elbow test. Now I show you the golfer's elbow treatment. Okay, now like this is a medial epicondyle, and here we facing a golfer's elbow or medial epicondylitis. Okay, like here near the flexor tendon is here and extensor tendon is here. In flexor tendon we got inflammation, that's why we facing a golfer's elbow. Why it's happened? Like why we told golfers elbow, like so many cases they happen in a golfers golf players. Okay, now we not say only golf player facing this problem. In so many women, those who work in a houses or housewife also facing this problem because of they doing a homework like that, they doing this activity and repeated this action very much. Okay, and those doing a interlock lock system work, they're also facing this problem. Okay, now I told you why it's happening. Okay, like flexor tendon is here. When this tendon is going to inflammate, okay, then we facing this problem. Okay, in so many cases you see people, when we see like this, okay, this is a case for test positive, they start doing like this stretch. We don't should do this thing. Okay, like if is the tendon is inflamed before only or no, it's tear before only. If we doing this, so that tearing is going to more. Okay, first we have to do only reduce inflammation. Because of that we should to use ice pack, that is very useful for reduce the inflammation. Okay, now we're going to move on to the exercise part. Okay, I told you why it's happened and how it's happened. Okay, because of the inflammation they're facing a pain also, so much pain. We don't have to stress this thing. Okay, like I told you, but we have to give in acute inflammation time, we have to give ice pack to them to reduce the inflammation. Okay, now here the first exercise, we have to keep in a resting position. Okay, and here the near to the medial epicondyle, we have to give deep friction or palpation. Okay, with thumb also you have to give, you should give. Okay, and with this finger, with support of index finger also you give. Here it's like that. Okay, with this you have to keep little bit extends the wrist also. Okay, like that. Okay, now relax. Like I told you, we don't going to jump on like the stretching part. Okay, we have to first focus on the strengthening of flexor tendon and the inflammation reduce part. Okay, here's the first exercise. Now we're going to the second exercise. Okay, we have a second exercise, eccentric contraction. Okay, mostly we use a loop band for eccentric contraction. We have a resistance band here. Oh, my colleague are so active now. Okay, like this you have to keep this here. Okay, like if you are not comfortable you have to sit properly. Okay, you're doing this. Okay, now we flex this passively and now we release. Okay, then again flex and release, flex, release. Like this happen in eccentric contraction. This is a contract in control manner. Okay, like this, passively flex, then release, passively flex and release. We move on to the second exercise. After the 1 week we're doing a first exercise, after that we move on to the second exercise. Then you feel okay, inflammation is reduced, then we move on to second exercise. And now we're doing a second exercise for what purpose? They improve our gripping muscles and medial epicondyle also. Okay. Okay, now after that eccentric contraction and ice pack, we feel so much pain is less. Okay, now we inflammation also reduced. Now we move on to the stretching part. Okay, for stretching part, first we're doing like when we're doing a first stretching, we're doing a normal position. Okay, like we flex the elbow. Okay, we're doing like that. Okay, when this is not so much painful, then we move on to the advanced stretching. For that we have to keep our hand straight, okay, in supine position. Okay, now we're doing stretch like that. Okay, yeah. After that we have to move on to the more advanced technique. For that is a helpful for you. We're doing like that, some of the table or something is there, you have to keep your hand like this and do like that. Okay, like you see in so many person athlete, they doing a push-up and all the exercise, they also facing a medial epicondylitis problem or golfer's elbow problem. That doesn't mean only golf players only facing this problem. So, and you know, I tell you, with this stretching part you have to use gel ball also. That is very helpful for gripping, or that is golfer's elbow, tennis elbow. When that problem in your forearm gripping, you have to use the gel ball. Okay, now we don't have gel ball here. Okay, now we're talking about to the stretching part. When I am talking stretching part, I surely recommend you gel ball. That is very helpful for your gripping and like straight your elbow. Okay, doing a routine and extends your wrist with gel ball, and rotation part also is there. And when you're doing like this, then doing a radial deviation. Okay, like when you're doing a radial deviation here, flexor tendon is stretching fully. That is a feel, you feel sharp stretch here. Okay, now that is the for 3 exercise for golfer's elbow treatment. Okay, now I am telling you about when if you are a 12th student or you are a past 12 and you got a neat result, a good marks, you have to find a consultancy, okay, that will provide you admission. So I have one consultancy also, we run ADD consultancy, that will provide admission in Mumbai, Bangalore or Nasik, several university or several college and several course. Okay, if you looking for an engineering course or medical course, that will helpful for you. They guide you how to do and how to manage your career and how to doing a bright in your future. Okay, okay, thank you for watching my video. If you find this video is knowledgeable and educate you, okay, then like, share and subscribe. Inshallah we will give you more videos like that. Okay, and if you want to contact ADD consultancy, then link in description below. Okay, bye, thank you.